Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the NFT real estate marketplaces. What exactly are they, and is it a smart investment? I've got all your answers right here. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that represent ownership. They've found their way into real estate, where you can own properties like houses, apartments, or land through digital tokens. How does it work? NFT real estate relies on blockchain tech to securely record ownership. When you buy an NFT real estate token, you're essentially getting a digital title to the property, all securely stored on the blockchain ledger. Now, the big question, should you invest in NFT real estate marketplaces? It's not a simple yes or no. There are factors to weigh, like NFT market volatility, legal uncertainties, and potential fraud risks. Here's a quick rundown. Pros. NFT real estate is a budding market with high return potential. It's more secure, thanks to blockchain's transparent ownership records. NFT real estate can be traded more easily than traditional properties. Cons. NFT market volatility can lead to price swings. Legal aspects are still unclear, posing risks. Fraud is a concern in this emerging, unregulated space. In the end, the decision to invest in NFT real estate marketplaces should be made after careful consideration. If you're aspiring to create an NFT real estate marketplace, contact WeAlwin Technologies offers various affordable services. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this video was informative. Any questions? Drop them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe for more insights on NFTs and crypto topics.